everyone, I'm so glad you could join me this morning. So this is what we're going to do today. You should have got a printout of 5 nests. If mom or dad are not able to get the printout, then don't worry about it. All you need to do is put out 5 little bowls and put numbers by your 5 little bowls. And those little bowls can be your nests instead. So today we are going to count out little eggs for our nests. And we will start with nest number 1. Now we only need 1 egg. But before we put our eggs in, we are going to make little balls for ourselves from Play-Doh. And Jenny is going to show you how to make your little ball.
So we're going to take a nice piece of the Play-Doh off. We're going to put it in our palm and we're going to roll it round and round. Round and round and round we go to get a ball just like so. Keep your grip soft and steady till your ball is nice and ready.
So you can see we've got a nice little pile of bird eggs. And if you don't have any Play-Doh or any clay, then don't worry. What you can do is you can tear off some tissue pieces and you're going to use your fingers to make little balls. Okay, it's all very good exercises for your fingers. So you can make a whole pile of those little balls, roll them in your fingers until you've got a pile of tissue balls, which will be your little bird eggs. So we're going to start now, and we've got number 1. And how many eggs we just put in this nest? We are only putting 1 egg. For number 2, how many eggs do you think goes in number 2, children? 1, 2 eggs in this nest. Are you getting it right? What about nest number 3? 1, 2, are you counting? 3 eggs in nest number 3. And the next one? This one says 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4 little eggs in this nest. And our last one, number 5, gets 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Did you get it right as well? Good counting. For our older children, once you've done all 5, then you can change your numbers and go all the way up to 10. And then you are going to put how many eggs in by 6? That's right, you're going to put 6 eggs in. And so you go until you get to nest number 10. I know you can do it, guys. Work really hard and try your best. So you also should have got a printout of this, and this is an outdoor maths trail list. And this is for our early morning walk tomorrow. Now, if you get up early and do some exercise with mom and dad and go for a walk, then you can take your list with you and you will see that there are numbers up to 5, and you are going to look out for those 5 things and do some counting on your walk while you go. And also, you're going to remember to look out for some birds and see if you can hear any bird noises as you go along. Now, for those of you who might not wake up early or might not be able to go for a walk and you might not have your list with you, you don't have to worry about it. You can come along with me tomorrow morning and we will go on a walk together and we will count together. Bye-bye, everybody.